Manual translation. Manual translation dates back in history to the first appearances of written text. Partial translations exist from 2000 BC, of the Epic of Gilgamesh, from Sumerian into Asian languages.
In the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution created a demand for business documentation. This development created, in turn, the need to formalize some of the translation specialties. Since 1940, engineers have been trying to automate the translation process and to aid manual translation mechanically.
Machine translation. Machine translation is the process where, in theory, a translation is performed by a computer program. In reality, machine translation is often aided by manual pre- and post-editing.
Unedited machine translation is a free service available online. This produces a translation, which is often sufficient to understand the general idea of the source text. However, such content can be often more humorous than enlightening. In order for machine translation to be of publishable quality, it must be edited and reviewed by a person.
Such rough automatic translation does not take into consideration that our communication is context-based. It takes a human to understand the context of the source text. Of course, pure manual translation, with no computer aid, is also susceptible to error.
Computer-assisted translation. Computer-assisted translation, CAT, is a type of manual translation, where a person is assisted by a computer software. This can involve a dictionary or grammar software, but it usually refers to a series of specialized translation software such as concordance and translation memory.
A professional translator should have a good knowledge of the language he is translating from and an excellent knowledge of the language he is translating into. He should also be familiar with the subject of the source text. The best translations are usually produced by people translating from their second language into their mother tongue.
Internet-based manual translation is becoming a very popular solution as it can offer fast and accurate translation services for business and documents, medical records, translation of manuals and software localization.